Hello, hello. Okay. Show some love, guys, to our CEO. You just came from the event, right?
Yes, hello,
Okay.
Ahmed. Yeah, so I'm here in Argentina this week, and there's a big Ethereum-based events here. So I've been running around all day, and so apologies. I just sat down at the computers, but looking forward to showing some things here and talking about some exciting things in the exchange that we've been working on and building. So without further ado, I'll get right.
Can I say something, boss, before we start? Okay, guys,
Yeah, yeah,
just
of
for
course.
information, Mr. Bryan was on the way and I was not able to get to him. Okay. So I didn't know that, like, okay, he's gonna be available on time or not because I think he get delay in the road. But thank God he's here and I hope he can give us something amazing. Okay. Sorry. Go ahead, boss. Thank you.
Yeah, no. I just want to chat for a second and then I'll share the screen and show you guys a couple things. But over the next few weeks, we're entering one of the most important phases, I think, in the evolution of the Aurum Exchange. We have the product live, we're adding things to it, and we're excited about the growth of it. But up until this point, we've been building fairly quietly. We've been pushing pretty hard behind the scenes to get this thing working, to get the liquidity right. And we believe now it's time to roll out the next wave of the products that take us from a strong foundation to a world-class organization, a world-class exchange that will give people world-class experience. So, with that being said, I'd like to announce that in about 2 weeks' time from now, so right around the beginning of December, first week of December, we'll be rolling out the derivatives trading products. So that's pretty exciting for those traders out there that know about futures trading, that are exciting about it. And it's a fairly major milestone for us and for the exchange. So this will be a perpetual futures. There will be cross and isolated margins, and we'll have institutional grade risk controls with very low latency. So most of your trades will get executed in the proper manner, and I think everyone should be pretty happy with with the performance of the futures trading platform. So this is a big round of applause to all of our back end team, to everyone that's been working on this. And yes, the rollout will come with incentives. It will come with referral boosts, and there will be a strong global campaign for all of us to get involved in this. So that's a pretty exciting thing. The next thing that I'd like to announce is that in the coming weeks, probably around 4 or 5 weeks, maybe near the end of the year, we're going to be rolling out copy trading. So this is also something that's very exciting. You can control the exchange. You can decide to copy trade based on some of the traders that we'll have available, and some of the winners of some of the competition style things that we'll be rolling out here. So this will be easy for people to handle. It'll be one click follow up for the top traders, and there'll be transparent track records. The risk tiers will be preset, so people will be able to understand what they're doing very easily. This is a perfect way for influencers or for other affiliates in our structure that are already bringing thousands of new users to the ecosystem to continue to do this and to bring more and more. So that's really exciting. And then we're also, like I mentioned, going to be getting involved in trading tournaments, again, right around the same time near the end of the year. So this will be something that's really exciting with weekly and monthly competitions, prize pools, leaderboards, like I mentioned, so that people can copy trade off of the most successful traders. And this is really exciting for us because this is going to build a culture of participation, one of retention, where we're going to be able to keep people inside of the ecosystem, and it'll just be fun for people, and there'll be a lot of excitement. So, yeah, we're looking to make trading fun again. We're looking to get it into the palms of people's hands, and yeah. Being said, we're really excited about some of these new updates. Right behind that, we're working really hard on launching the iOS and the Android mobile apps. So that's something that I know I've been talking about for quite some time now, but we're getting really close to being able to launch that. And yeah, that's about it. I want to go online now, so I'm going to share my screen real briefly and go ahead and show you guys a couple things on the exchange, and we can take it from there. So. As you can see, um, if you don't mind confirming for me that you can see the screen, that would be great. I believe everyone can see the screen right now, and you should see the trading graph here. Um, but what I wanted to show you first is one of the features that we worked on adding, and this is incognito window that I've pulled up here, and I've gone to aurum.trading, and I've clicked on, I can show you guys the actual flow here. If we delete this and go to get started, if you already have an account, you can get started, but you'll see here that we've added the Aurum, Google, and Apple ID. So if you want to continue with your Aurum ID, you can now do that with a one-click login. So that's really exciting for us because a lot of people ask us in the very beginning, how do I link my Aurum back office with my exchange, or how do I, how do these things talk to one another? And so now we've answered that question, and you can also do it with your Google or with your Apple ID or with a simple login and password. So that was the first feature that I wanted to show you guys live. The second thing that I want to show you is just a little bit again around the exchange itself. So how it looks, what's happening. As you can see here, we have the sort of the main landing page. Once you've logged in, you can then go to your dashboard, which will show you some specific information about your account and about your wallets and some of the other products. But then you can go down here and you can take a look at some of the data as well that is being served up for you. And from any of these places, you can either get more information here with View More Markets, or you can go directly to the trading space as well. Same here, you can take a look at the crypto wallets, and then you can take a look at the full list of assets and go directly to your wallets and take a look there. So I wanted to just show you how it looks. I think a lot of the people that were at the event in Phuket saw this live, but a lot of you probably have logged in since then and taken a look at this. So yeah, it's pretty exciting. What I'll do here is I'll go to the dashboard, and there's one thing that I want to show you here, and then I want to go over and I want to show you how the trading engine works and all that stuff. But as you can see on the left here, you can see an overview of the wallet system. The deposits and withdrawals are right here. The orders here. And one of the new features that we have, you can see right here, is the crypto staking. So this is something that, again, is really exciting. Now, most of the testing has not been done in this account. This is a personal account of mine that I use only for showing people how it looks. So you can see here that we are happy to announce that we have our crypto staking. So it's a flexible digital currency staking here. And these are the different tokens that we have available at the beginning. So you can see BTC, USDT, ETH, USDC, Atom, which is the Cosmos ecosystem token, TRX, which is the Tron one, and then Sol, which is the Solana ecosystem token. So these are hand-picked tokens that performed really well, and that we're really excited to bring some really amazing APRs. So if you take a look out here to the side, you can see what the APR is going to be. So this is an annual rate, not like our other products in the EX or some of the other AI agent bot side of things, where these are monthly payouts. These ones are yearly figures, so it's an annual yield, you can see. But these are still quite good yields for a 100% liquid product. It's 19.8 on the USDT, 18.7 on the ETH, and so on and so forth here. And then the other thing that I wanted to show you is what the minimum deposit is. So these do have minimum deposits. You can't put a penny in here and move on. So it's 100 for USDT. It's 0.0009 BTC and so on and so forth. So all of this you can see by logging into the exchange, and then you can go ahead and make deposits and start to use this. So really excited to have this product live. This is in keeping with what the biggest and best exchanges out there on the market are doing, and Aurum is competing directly with these exchanges with the same products, better products in some cases, and directly attached to the back office. And I think it's important to stress that we have by far the best affiliate system of any exchange out there. So a lot of exchanges have tried affiliate models. They've done this or that, giving a little bit of money through KOLs. Excuse me. Excuse me there. But what we've got at Aurum is by far the strongest affiliate model I think that you'll see out there. So it really pays to refer people inside of the exchange system, and this is really in keeping with what we're building over on the yield side as well, with the bots, with the neobank, with all the other products that we have. So really exciting stuff. Come and try out the staking. Let us know what you think, and yeah, I'd be happy to take take that from everyone. So now what I want to do is I want to show you guys a little bit about how the trading works. So we're going to go into the trading engine here. And you can see Ethereum, wow, it's taken quite a hit over the last what is these 1 hour candles. So I prefer to look at them in 4 hour candles. So you can see that you can take a look and change the candles around. We'll go back to the 1 hour candle because it seems to be performing better. But what I wanted to do is I wanted to go ahead and show you guys that I have a small balance in ETH, and what I want to do is just sell that ETH um, for USDT. And so, uh, you can see here's my balance that I have in my wallet. And if I go back, I can show you guys exactly, what that looks like inside of the wallet. But let's go ahead and focus on the trade right now. So let's do 0.003 or whatever. And the price is going to be the latest sale price here. So you can see that would be uh, oops, 0.0003. So unfortunately, my little screen is getting in the way of the transaction down here. But as you can see, this is a pretty standard exchange format here. So you can come in here and you can buy and sell, and you can change, the amount or the frequency and that kind of thing. So yeah, this is basically what I wanted to show you guys today. Really excited about the launch of the liquid staking. I'd love everyone to come in and test that out. And again, bear in mind that this is a brand new exchange. It's launched in the last few days here officially, and so bugs are expected. And if you can just get with the support channels and let us know what you find, we would really appreciate that, because that's pretty important. As we're building out this app, is the feedback from the users and from the community. So that's really all from my side. I want to thank everyone for everything that
I have
that
a
you're
question.
doing.
Thank you. I have a question just like this is related to us, to the affiliate community. This is only testing, right? But when it comes to the affiliate, it will be later point where people can using their ID, so their referral can be under them. I believe it's a develop, but it will not be in the testing period.
No, no. So what I showed you at the beginning with the login with the Aurum ID, that is what we are asking me, is the ability to link the back office to the exchange, so
Yeah.
that when someone has the referral code either from the exchange or from the back office side, the activity is reflected on both sides. So yeah, that's the idea. And again, like I said, this is just being launched. That feature and the liquid staking feature are very, very recent things that we've put live so people can start to test them. We are expecting there to be bugs. We are expecting things to not work perfectly all the time, because that's how new tech is. And so we really rely on the community and everyone on this call and beyond to help us with the things that they see from a betterment of the service, or from bugs that they see where it's not working. So yeah, just please funnel those to support. It's always nice to get a screenshot of what you're seeing. That will
Mhm.
really help us continue to build the best exchange, the best product that we can. So I
One
think
more,
that's
one
all
more,
from my
one more,
side.
one more. I'm just gonna ask you a couple of questions only, okay?
Yeah, yeah,
So
no, I just want to, am I still sharing my screen, or are we
no, no,
done
no.
with that?
We're clear. No,
Okay.
no screen.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, good.
One more questions. What I can see, we cannot buy using fiat now, but I believe there is a plan for the fiat.
Yeah, we're working on fiat integration, but we don't have that live now. As you can imagine,
Okay.
the regulatory side of the fiat on and off ramps is a little more tricky, much like the Visa card.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
yeah, it's not ready yet, but we are working on it. I mean, that's one of the most important things. I think
Yeah.
people need to be able to integrate their Web 2 finance with their Web 3 finance, and so yeah, very important.
Yeah. Because people asking, is it when it is happening, people can use euro or use dollar, right? I believe buying those
No, I mean, again, I can't give information about the exact information about the
currency.
on and off ramps. I
Mhm.
don't know exactly, but I think it's going to be mainly US dollar based. There should be a way for us to get euros onboarded as well, but I can't speak to that right now. I don't have any more information or details on that.
Okay. Any idea when the live trading in the back office could show the performance of the AXAI bot? The live trading? Any
Uh, the
idea?
li- the live trading again is one of those features that we've wanted to go live with over the past few weeks and really a month now. But it shouldn't be too much longer now. I can't give you an exact date. I'm hoping, definitely by the end of the year is the target that I have, but uh no, I don't think we will have that this week.
Okay, wonderful, wonderful. Hopefully, everything is gonna be super amazing by our global event in global launching event in Dubai. Okay, I don't want to take much of your time, boss. Thank you very much for making it today, and we might have you to be with us in the next call next week if more few feedbacks comes from the exchange, and hopefully, as I heard today from the team, neobank could be available in a days, I think. So maybe if more feedbacks, then we ask you to come over just to help us with answering some questions, please. Okay.
Yeah, absolutely. No, I'm
Yeah.
happy to answer as many questions as I can. Uh, Really, what we want people to do is to start to try and test it out and then to give us the feedback. And so, we are working very hard to make these products, as